It's huge. There's two of them up there. This one's even bigger. Wow. You have no idea what the massive scale of these birds are. Now come back this way, you big goof. I think I got a couple of good shots of them up close. Look at the big goof. Big goof's gonna fly away. Jeez. Well, that looks like a wrap, boys and girls. I hope you got a look at them big giant birds I see here in South Carolina. I call them Thunderbirds. Some people call them turkey belchers. There's lots of different names for them. But what they really are, we don't know because they're so far away and they're so huge. It could be any kind of giant bird, right? Let me know what you think in the comments below. If they show back up, I'll try to get another video of them.